2. The manager. Company office name. City. Subject, application for the post of clerk. Respected Sir and Madam, I respectfully state that I have come to know through newspaper website notice that a vacancy for the post of clerk is available in your office. I wish to offer my services for this position. I have completed your qualification and possess good typing speed, computer skills, and experience in maintaining records and handling office correspondence. I am confident that my abilities, sincerity, and dedication will make me a valuable member of your team. If given the opportunity, I assure you that I will perform my duties honestly and efficiently to the best of my ability. I have attached my CV and necessary documents for your kind consideration. I shall be very thankful for a chance to work under your supervision. Yours faithfully. Your name. Address, your address. Contact, your number.